Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, welcome back to Flipping Out. I'm Chad. The Hovey here. Say, as you see, got the engine completely off. We've got everything out of here. We got the fuselage, you can see inside of it. So, yeah, let's see. We've got, oh yeah. Say one of the tires are on, which is awesome. So yeah, we're gonna go down and get the other two right now. Sweet, guys, we got it. We got it. Let's go get this thing on and see if we can make an airplane roll today. All right, all I'm doing here, guys, is I'm just putting the tube inside the wheel. That way we can get it buttoned up and aired up and back on the Hovey. That way we can move it around, push it outside, get it vacuumed, hopefully wash it. Not sure if we're going to be able to do that or not. Say we had to have a few sprinkles today. So just enjoy, look at me go through all my pain and suffering and frustrations. So thanks, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, see, we got the wheels on the Hovey. We got it vacuumed out. I would have to say 95% mud dauber free. There's probably about 3 foot in the back tail section that I was just unable to reach. May buy another extension, see if I can get back there with that. But one thing I want to let you guys know, I know I've had some trouble with my videos. They're not the greatest. I know I'm still learning again. So again, any comments that you could help me understand, I guess, this process a little bit better. Because I'm not a technical guy, I would sure highly appreciate it. But my plan is to release a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. That way I can start building a brand and see where this thing takes us. Because again, we've got a very, very short period of time to get where we're going. So this here, this fine piece of machinery is going to turn into a Honda Jet, something we're not even going to be able to fit on this property. So please follow along, share, subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you on the next one.